tó ń ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ yẹn wò.
Spend another 5 minutes here. I will start this car and drive away. No. So, nǹkan tó yẹ kó sọ fún mi nìyẹn àbí? Ṣé èsì tó yẹ kó fún mi nìyẹn? No, sọ fún mi, ṣé wákàtí mẹ́rin ló fẹ́ fi ṣerun ni? Àbórí mélòó ni ìwọ nìkan ṣe? Desire. Hello, Desire. Ọmọbìnrin má bàjẹ́ gan.
Abayomi, ta ló bàjẹ́? As in, why are you doing this? Fuck you! Fuck you! Ṣebí nítorí ẹ̀ náà mo ṣe ní kó jókòó sínú mọ́tò nínú AC. You're shouting, you're ranting like an idiot. Fuck you! What?
Ṣọ̀gbẹ́ sometimes ṣe máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó forí gbá like something too concrete bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó ní crack níbí báyìí.
Shut up! Ìwọ gan ní crack! You're a fool! Fuck you! But you want to touch me? Then I'm gonna call the cops. Kill of Eshe. Oh yeah, sorry. How do I look nice? Like a diva? Is my eye nice? She don't be nice. Why are you looking like a fool? Fuck you.
So ma wọlé àbí kí n má bá tèmi lọ.
Fuck you and stop cramping my legs out. Oh yeah, close your door. Close the door. I'm not gonna close your fucking door, idiot. Fuck you. Pẹ̀lẹ́ kò dé draw.
So nǹkan tó lọ fi fọ́ àṣẹ náà lélẹ̀ àbí.
I look nice. You need a driver. Palekumoto, I can stretch. Palekute.
Tilẹ̀kùn iná.
Oh my God. Whoa. I'm better than the baddest. Ron, what the hell? Shit. Whoa! Ouch! Shit. To be neat. Run! What's up, darling? How are you? Ron, idiot! What? Oh! What's up, baby? Are you okay? Like, pause. Are you sick? I'm fine.
Sure.
Yes, 100%.
Listen.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, oh, listen. Yeah, to where?
Kí wá ló ṣe ẹ́ tó lè park gbogbo nǹkan tó kó sílẹ̀ kó rẹ̀ trash ẹ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ń lè.
I'm sorry. My bad. I should have called secretary.
Hey.
Secretary.
Hey.
Secretary to clean.
No, that's not their job. Okay? No, wọ́n ṣe pé kọ́ máa kó dọ̀tí iná ṣiṣẹ́ bíbá ìfún. Besides, ebi by low a trash basket to no stop the last bit projectors.
But òun sanwó fún wọn now.
Ṣé owó kó máa kó dọ̀tí ló ń sọ fún wọn?
But seriously, Abayomi, I swear you're stupid. You're an idiot. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé o wà kẹrin rárá? So kí ló tí wò lè bá mi kó? Come on, do that job. Okay, let's do something. Gbọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ má jẹ́ kó dọ̀tí.
Deborah! Deborah!
Noise! Yeah, mo boy. Shut up, Ja.
Ta ló jẹun sí gbogbo bíbá ẹ̀ tó jẹun sí bíbí ajá báyìí? Tẹ̀dẹ̀ gbogbo ẹran tẹ̀dẹ̀ pọ̀ tẹ̀ páàkì.
Àǹtí ló jẹ mo dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ páàkì tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ló sọ pé kí n má ti páàkì.
No, Chicago láti ṣe now.
Desiree.
Hold on please.
Jọ, ta ló jẹun sí bíbá ẹ̀ tó tún jẹ ń bẹ̀ yẹn? Tó kàn sọ pé kán máa palẹ̀ bíbá ẹ̀ mọ́ tí gbogbo bíbá ẹ̀ kàn bí ilé ajá báyìí.
Just chill. I'm on phone with my friend. The scientist is starting. Hello, ọ̀rẹ́. You know what? Má pè ẹ́ padà. Mo fẹ́ sáré bọ́kọ mi sọ̀rọ̀. Shut up, Joe. That is something pé wà important. Of course you're important. Bọ́kọ mi wà. I'll call you back. What happened?
Ta ló jẹun síbẹ̀ yẹn? Tó sọ pé kán máa palẹ̀ mọ́ tó kàn fi gbogbo obìnrin sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ṣé nítorí oúnjẹ yìí? But seriously, Abayomi ṣó fẹ́ máa ka oúnjẹ sí mi lẹ́nu ni. Is this all about food?
See, listen, kò ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ pé bóyá wọ́n ń ka oúnjẹ sí ọ lẹ́nu, okay? Ìwọ náà imagine ká ní bóyá àlejò ló wọlé kó wo bíbẹ̀ ń ṣeré bó ṣe rí bí ilé ewúrẹ́ ó dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ nǹkan bíbá èèyàn àwọn òkè fọ́ mẹ́wàá jẹun a máa ń mọ nǹkan tá a bá fẹ́ jẹ at a certain time ni bó ṣe bóyá a kàn máa jẹ nǹkan síbí báyìí a wá fi gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ bí ìdọ̀tí bẹ́ẹ̀ it's unfair.
Okay, oúnjẹ ni problem yìí nínú ilé yìí. No problem. Then I'm just going to call my mom. Wọ́n máa gbé rice àpò mẹ́ta wá, ẹ̀wà àpò méjì, then a lot of juice because I don't get. What? Torí oúnjẹ, food, oúnjẹ wà everywhere, food. Come on. And listen, you Deborah, láyéláyé ẹ don't ever pè mí ní ṣe sister àbí aunty. Mommy ni kó máa pè mí. Is that clear?
Yes, ma.
No, jẹ́ kó pè ń grandma.
Grandma.
Ìyẹn máa better sọ pé grandma ju mommy lọ.
Grandpa ni. Think I'm stupid.
My friend, oya park gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ kó wọ kitchen.
Park ẹ̀ kókó lọ́jọ́ bá múnú ẹran mẹ́ta wá fuku is better.
Okay, ma.
No, inú ẹran ò dáa jẹ́ kó fún ẹ ní òde ẹran.
Kéde.
Èèyàn tó máa ń fine dáadáa ju inú ẹran lọ.
Òde ẹran better. Deborah, make it òde ẹran mẹ́ta.
Ó lọ sábà tí àkókò ojú kan pa odidi màálù fún ẹ kó kúkú jẹ.
What did you say? About what? Shit, what am I doing here? Abayomi, your Raz. But you think gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó so that you won't puff for words. What's about your man? You're freaking Raz. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Desiree, you are rude.
How?
You saying I am Ras in the presence of my housemaid is nothing but you are rude.
Ojo housemaid, Carlton, stopping me. You were talking about food. Yes, you are Raz. You're very, very local. Are you... Abayomi, is this a joke? You think I'm joking? Just lock the door and you see what I'm going to do in this house.
Boss,